What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we do nothing but barber vlogs, barber tutorials, unboxing, reviews, all that sort of stuff that has to do with barbering you can find on this channel. So consider subscribing. But by the thumbnail, you see that we got a surprise package from the Pissed Off Barber. A bunch of new products that have not been released yet. They are set to be releasing within the next 3 to 4 weeks, so just stay tuned for that. But I just want to go ahead and let you guys see what I got, showcase it, and we will unbox this in a future video. But let's get to it.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, everybody, so first off, we got the Tpob Ghost X DLC edition. So this is the slime trimmer, the Ghost X slime edition with the DLC blade. The original Ghost X slime edition had a stainless steel blade, but this has the diamond carbon edition. So you know, I'm hoping to see that this cuts a lot crisper. And then the other one is like a debulk monster, but we'll see how this operates behind the chair with that DLC blade on it. I'm pretty sure all the specifications are pretty close to the old Ghost X trimmer, but we'll go ahead and test it out in a future video. But like I said, that DLC, I feel it's gonna set this off even more. The next clipper that we got is going to be the Tpob Phantom. Now I know that you've seen the Tpob Phantom before. It was a blue, pink, and black colorway lids that came with it. This is a newer colorway that he put out, and it is like the black, green, and orange. So if you are unaware, lime green is like iconic and tied to the Tpob brand. That is like his go-to colorway. So this is a great clipper. I have the blue one, and this is just a newer colorway for it. So excited to see. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is the same specifications as the old one, but you know, this is a great clipper to have in your arsenal. Very affordable, like all of his tools, and they do great work. And the next one is going to be the Tpob Machete, which is brand new to the brand, and here it is right there. So it has the XO, the combination blade, which is like a taper fade blade combo. But I'm excited to use this one behind the chair for sure because it's newer, a lot newer. I haven't used this at all. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out in another video too. So like I said, if you have not, heard of Tpob, if you have not used his specific clippers, I highly suggest you try them out for yourself. They're very affordable, and if you follow my Instagram page at Jayblends_, you can see there I highlight a lot of my haircuts on there, and you can see the work that I put out with these clippers. So they're not just some Chinese knockoff, so to speak, like people say. They're really good quality tools for a price that barbers can afford, honestly. With the going prices now in a lot of companies, you got clippers upwards of like $250 to $300. So with that being said, go follow me on IG at Jayblends_. Go follow the Pissed Off Barber at the Pissed Off Barber on IG as well. If you want to go purchase some tools for yourself, go to thepissedoffbarber.com. Use code Jayblends to save you 15% off your entire purchase. And and if you do happen to buy a tool or anything like that, tag me in it on IG. Let me see the work you guys put out with it. But these are the clippers that I got in this box yesterday, and I'm barely getting to unboxing them now, and getting to use them in the shop pretty soon. So be on the lookout for the full unboxing and review of all these clippers. I will be doing a video on each and every one of them, how they operate behind the chair, pros and cons, and all that good stuff. So like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications, and until next time, God bless.